Sherry K, Jazzy Gourmet. If you've never tried spaghetti squash before, you might want to give it a try sometime. It's different from your other winter squash in that the texture resembles its namesake, spaghetti. But if you're watching your carbs, it's a great substitute for the real thing. You can top it with marinara sauce or maybe some olive oil, garlic, and maybe a little Parmesan cheese. Not familiar with it? Here's how you cook it.
Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Line a sheet pan with foil. Spray the foil with cooking spray. Cut the squash in half lengthwise. If you're a wimp like I am, poke holes in it and stick into the microwave for a few minutes to soften.
Just make sure you remember to poke the holes. If you've ever had a spaghetti squash explode in your microwave, you know it's not pretty. Ask me how I know.
Once the squash is soft enough, cut it in half and scoop out the seeds. Place the squash cut side down onto the baking sheet. Stick it in the 375-degree oven and bake until it is tender, about 30 minutes.
Or if you don't feel like heating up your oven, you can always spray a microwave-safe dish, put the squash cut side down in the dish, and microwave for about 10 minutes. Or if it's an extra big squash like mine is, you may need to cook it a little bit more.
Let the squash cool slightly and then run a fork lengthwise to separate it into strands. Top with your favorite toppings and enjoy!